HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand central tendency measures using ages. Here is a histogram with all of the ages of people in the park. The x-axis indicates the age. The y-axis indicates the frequency of each score. The mode is the most common score, which is highlighted in yellow. In this distribution, 40 is the mode because 40 is the most common score. Note that the mode will always be one of the scores in the population, which is not always true of the other central tendency measures. The median of 45 is the middle score of the distribution, with 50% of the scores below the median, in green, and 50% of the scores above the median, in gray. The median is often one of the scores in the distribution, but sometimes the median can be a score which is not part of the distribution. The mean is the balancing point of the distribution, which is the average score. In this distribution, the mean is 46.39. The mean is usually not one of the scores in the distribution, but it is possible for the mean to be a distribution score. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.